Now we're going to look at the student experience, the process of signing up for a class, paying for everything, completing the required forms and online coursework, teaching your in-water class, doing your student evaluations, and their purchase of digital and plastic C-cards. We'll look at how to post a class to the site in another chapter, but for now, let's assume the class is scheduled and online, the associated online digital course is attached, the forms are in place, and the student is ready to go. Students can find classes in several ways. If they're in your Dive Center, they can sign up on a computer in the store. Or you can give them a link to the class and they can sign up at home. If students are searching for a class, they can search by class, by online digital course, by instructor, or by location. Let's assume the student is at home and found the class online, or you've sent the link to find your class. In this case, we'll use an example of a side mount mini class that I've posted. Hovering over and clicking the class in the search bar gives access to an event detail page. This is the page that you'll send the link to if you're emailing the student a link to sign up. Once on the page, there's more information, a map of the class location, the address, dates, the ability to add to your bucket list, and the ability to purchase the class. The system shows the number of seats available, so a student can sign up if the class is full. Eventually, we'll be adding a wait list to this page. When your student clicks Buy Now, he'll be asked to log in, then taken to a page to purchase the required online digital course. In this case, it's the Side Mount Mini online program. The system will automatically distribute various percentages of the payment to UTD and the class organizer. This eliminates the need to provide your student with an authorization code. Your percentage of the online digital courses is automatically deposited in your PayPal account. Simple. After that purchase, the system will return the student to pay for your class. Again, the system distributes the payment to you and/or the organizer, like the Dive Center, as appropriate. Once all the payments are made, your student will be able to fill out all the required forms and then print a ticket to the class. Next, your student will click on My Education at the top of the page. Here they'll see all their online digital courses with a link to view the purchased materials. And below, they'll see their progress on each class they signed up for, including the chapters, quizzes, forms, and the link to purchase a C-card once certified. All that's left for you to do is teach the class and complete the evaluation form which, like in the old system, is locked until the student submits the class completion form. Once the evaluation is done, the student can download a free 7-day temporary certificate or can purchase a digital C-card for $22.50 or a plastic card with a keychain card for $37.50. Next up, we'll look at the process of posting a live class or event. And as always, please let us know if you have any questions.